فرمانده نیروی 300 و حداکثر 700 کیلومتر برد دارد.
الحمدلله این مرحله هم با موفقیت اجرا شد.
RGC in Iran tested its Shahab-3 and Shahab-3 missiles. There we have takeoff of that missile. This is the launching of the Shahab-3 missile, which is a long-range missile, reportedly ranging between 1,300 to 2,000 kilometers. This is the third phase and second day of the IRGC's defense missile maneuvers demonstrations, so to say, which is aiming to maintain and improve the deterrent ability of the country's armed forces. There we're seeing the latest pictures of the test firing of the Shahab-3 missile, which is a long-range missile. That's the test fire right there. The range of that missile, reportedly between 1,300